A new quarterly security patch update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G mobile. After installing this new software, this mobile is updated to the January security patch. Coming to the file size, it's 297.77 MB. I started downloading this update. Previously, we are getting monthly security patch updates on this mobile, but now Samsung has changed it to quarterly as this is the last year for security updates for this model. This is just a security patch update guys. You won't notice any changes after installing it. The downloading was completed. Now I'm going to install this. One of the biggest concerns when it comes to installing updates, especially in Samsung mobiles, is the green line issues. A few months back, I posted a video recording Samsung's free display replacement for specific models affected by the green line issues. Still now also I'm getting comments that some of the users are noticing green lines and even white lines on the flagship Samsung mobiles. Yeah, there are still some models that are facing this issue. Let's see if my device is safe or not. Coming back to this update, during the installation process, do not press any buttons. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to complete this update, so make sure you have that free time. Because if you press any buttons while updating this mobile, most of the time it won't happen, but there are chances that your mobile will be stuck at the bootloader. At that time, it shows only the Samsung logo again and again. Alright, I completed this update and used the mobile for some time. I didn't notice any issues. The internal files, apps, the data, everything is there. The main thing is no green line issues or white line issues.